Look what my coworkers got me at work, guys. So sweet of them. My birthday cake. Oh my god. I got no shoes on.
Haha. He's never gonna learn how to use that.
Hey guys, didn't bring the sunglasses because I did a quick shoot for Mystic Priestess. Anyways, getting swung on this thing by my little sister. Having so much fun. Just at the park today, real quick. Went to the nursery, got some witchy plants. Totally didn't vlog, should have vlogged. I'll show you guys what I got later. Okay, now I don't feel like death, guys. Anyways, so we got the witchy plants at the nursery. We got lavender, this Russian sage plant, and all this cool stuff I want to show you when I get home. I was too excited to vlog when I was over there. Totally should have, but you know, things happen. But this park is so cool. I love it. It's like a zip line. And you guys kind of saw that clip of me failing on the zip line. I did it another time and it was so much fun. It's just these shoes. Yeah, I just love this park. It's so beautiful. Look at the view. This is Gulls right here. Wish I brought my sunglasses. Totally would have had a little photo shoot, but it's so beautiful today. I just low-key think it's funny, guys, because in all my incarnations and stuff, I had my basic lives and bougie-ish lives. Didn't want to have nice things, but then I'm hot. Hey guys, so exhausted. I wish I vlogged more today, but long story short, on the way home, I'm totally getting blessed. Wasn't gonna get like more witchy plants because I've been spending so much money. Long story short, I got that. A lot of little blessings throughout the day. And look at these that I was able to get. That's crazy, isn't it? They're so heavy, guys. Size of my foot. Putting these all up in the car, taking them home. These stumps are gonna look so pretty when they're dry to be made into furniture, like witchy altars, just cute, like forest vibes, you know, for my magic and stuff. And just to burn some wood, but I like how it's that shape. It's like those little DIY stumps that you see at Michael's, but do you guys see the halo, the energy? I just finished doing that magical ritual for the new moon, and I see like these rainbow energy in my room, all these good vibes. Archangels, Ascended Masters totally assisting me with my magic. This is so crazy, guys. Look at all the energy. Love you guys. Blessed be. All the rainbow right there. Look at all the yarrow, guys. So magical and witchy. All the good vibes. Over at a local nursery right now. Some plants. Cute little water fountain. These bell plants are so funny. I'm like, it's so magical looking. Reminds me of like Beauty and the Beast. And there's some lavender over here. Little bits of lavender. Anyways, yeah guys, at my local nursery, feeling really sick, but took some medicine. Did a frankincense and myrrh cleanse, some spells, some prayers, some medicine Buddha, so hopefully I'll be feeling better. Did my hair like in 2 minutes real quick because my family's like, we're gonna go to the nursery. Then I did my makeup in the car, so not bad for doing it real quick. But anyways, gonna go have some fun. I just love the yarrow root so much, guys. It looks like they got a big cooking sage too. A different kind of sage. I love these guys. They look so magical. Rose quartz and clear quartz and all the selenite, all the good vibes down here. Love this fluorite, guys. It's so dark, so beautiful. Love the energy in this one. Look at all the pretty crystals. There's so many. And here's a smoky quartz too. I just love a good smoky quartz so much. And there's a smoky quartz sphere up here too, guys. It looks so pretty. Love that one. More clear quartz. Gotta love those generators, guys. It's so pretty, the clear quartz. There's like an angel aura in here too. All the archangel vibes with this one, so pretty. Just gotta love all the crystals. They're so magical. I just love the crystals, guys. Sorry, I'm trying to vlog, but I really don't feel good today, so yeah, get some healing from this pink Himalayan salt lamp. And look over here too. Everything's just so pretty with the water fountain and all that. It's so magical. And just gotta love all the good vibes in the store. There's some incense, all those cleansing vibes. Got those, some incense, and then some Tibet bowls and the big amethyst geode. Gotta love those. But everything does look super cute and magical. Just gotta love a good treasure chest of some goodies, all the fun crystals in here. So pretty, I just love these. These look like almost turquoise, but the green turquoise. Or maybe moss agate, chrysocolla. Just so magical. When my goddess Nyx statue comes in, guys, I totally have to get another one of these to mirror the other side of my altar to like balance it out. But I can't wait to get another selenite lamp. But just love all these good vibes. Little Maitreya Pusa. Hi Maitreya Buddha. Just gotta love the labradorite flashes on this piece too. Little mini manifestation or book of shadows, Tibet bowls. Ooh, just gotta love all of these. So magical. And there's some little Buddhas over here, guys. Little clear quartz Buddha, Tibet bowl, evil eye. I just saw a good spell for these like bells to like add protection in your home too. Ooh, I love this piece, guys. It's so magical. Ooh, this is totally my vibe. I actually love this piece. I wish it was silver though. I wonder what it sounds like. And let's see the Tibet bowl. I wonder what this red one sounds like. Ooh, I love the sound of this one. Got some good frequency. Look who I found chilling in the corner. Hi, Amitabha. Amitabha Bodhisattva. Oh, mommy dewase. Amitabha's just chilling over here in the corner. You know you're a magical soul when you come and see some tree sap and you're like, I'm gonna get some of that so I can burn it on my instant burner. So my family wanted to come to the park again, guys. I got me some tree sap and I just love this view. It's always so magical with like the lake over there. It's just amazing. Just always love this view. Hopefully I can get some Mother Earth, some grounding energy, heal my soul, because I've been getting sick way too much. Need to have all those good vibes. And yeah, just gonna go ahead and chill. Also just got an iced tea too. Just got some In-N-Out, guys, my favorite animal style fries, and then we got the animal style grilled cheese down there. Chilling at vegetarian. Can't wait to chow down on some grub. Michael, sorry, I need to wash my camera lens. I know it's a little dirty, but look how cute this is. That's just the face. It's so House of Night, so Nixie Poo, so cute. And I just thought this said crazy bitches on there. I guess it's ideas. I'm seeing things. And then this is kind of cute too. Where is it? To the moon and back. It's just so magical. I love it. Just checking out some notebooks of my sister. Cute, guys. If you wanted to like use them on your altar or like some home decor, it's a good price. Like around $8. This one was my favorite one over here, but I don't need it. I'll have to DIY the pot and make it a little bit cuter, but a little bit of element of earth. Christmas, guys, oh my god, I can't wait. And the silver over here, heck yeah. I can't wait to buy myself my white flat Christmas tree this year and have an awesome holiday room. Can't believe they already have Christmas out, it's insane. Hey guys, we're in Michael's now and there's some fall stuff, so I totally have to vlog it for you guys. And can we talk about this backdrop? Looks amazing. This goes with like my witchy aesthetic. I'm so excited for fall, guys, and Samhain, All Hallows Eve. It's gonna be amazing. Oh, my little necklaces. Just love these from the Witch's Moon and Bounty so much. Good old little scarecrows. Not the cutest, not my vibe, but you know. And all the cute fall stuff. I love it. I'm getting some magical calligraphy pens and stuff from my Book of Shadows. And there's a bunch of cute autumn stuff, guys. So cute, little pumpkins, little cotton and pine cones. It's so excited for the autumn season, guys. Everything's so cute. Now this is a pumpkin, guys. Look at my foot compared to it. That's a huge pumpkin. It'd be cool in like the house or like outside in your home. I love that one. Look how cute these are, guys. Little Buddha succulents, and they're 60% off. I love these so much. And then they got the cute normal decor and a little spiritual decor. So cute. This little Amitabha down there. Hi, Amitabha. Just love this vibe. It's so summer. The clearance section, guys. All the clearance stuff. Some stuff is still $7. I wanted like $2, $5. This would be good for the element of spirit in my room, guys. The like altar. I love it. I just got the goods, guys. Caramel ice macchiato with extra caramel, and they actually spelled my name right because I'm like A-R-A-K when they said my name. So yum. Can't wait to try it out. Let's see, guys. And this tastes so sweet. This doesn't even taste like coffee. I'm loving this. Yum. Binders right now are a crazy good deal at Target. I can't even think about where I'm at. I'm gonna get 2 binders for my friends, 1 for me, and then I'm not getting these, but this would be cute, guys. 1 for earth, air, fire, water, and spirit for your like elemental magic to separate your spells. Not like you need just 1 book, but I thought that would be really cute. Found this book, guys. The Archive of Magic, the film Wizardry. Okay, Crimes of Grindelwald, basically from like Harry Potter, with the Fantastic Beasts 2nd movie. And look at this little book of some magic. There he is. This is so cool.